When used as classic upright vacuum cleaner, thanks to its swivel mechanism, Bissell 2254 is very maneuverable unit, being able to clean around the various objects and obstacles commonly found on the floors. Bissell 2254 weighs 16 pounds, 7.25 kg, and it is far from being lightweight unit to be carried around, especially for elderly people. However, most of the weight is low to the ground and rests on large wheels. Unit is easy to use and traverse the floors. Unit is designed for cleaning various floor types, including area rugs, carpets, bare floors, pet beds, stairs, upholstery, etc. Bissell 2254 CleanView is powered via 8 amps motor, providing plenty of suction via 27 feet 8.2 m long power cord. Bissell 2254 features automatic power cord rewind system, allowing the user to store the power cord with the simple press of the button. Main cleaner head is used for cleaning various types of floors. It features triple action brush roll, designed to loosen, lift and remove deeply embedded dirt, including pet and human hair, lint, fibers, pollen, dust and other dirt and potential allergens. Brush roll is not of tangle-free design and periodically user has to clean it from entangled hair and fibers. Main cleaner head also features so-called scatter-free technology, which basically prevents the dirt from being scattered around instead of being cleaned in 1 or 2 passes. Maximum cleaning width is 13.5 inches, 34.3 cm, allowing the user to clean large areas quickly. Although main cleaner head is wide, thanks to the swivel mechanism and low center of gravity, unit can clean around obstacles easily. And if the gaps are too narrow for the main cleaner head, feel free to use cleaning hose with the extension wand and some of the available cleaning tools and attachments. Main cleaner head comes with the manual height selector, positioned low on the cleaner head, with 5 height settings. Such positions simplify mechanical design, but it can also cause issues for people with the back problems. Bissell 2254 doesn't feature brush roll on off-button. Brush roll is gentle even on the hardwood floors, but just in case, when vacuuming delicate and sensitive floors, increase the main cleaner head height so that the brush roll bristles don't touch the floor. Also, Bissell 2254 lacks variable suction control, but constant airflow is very important for proper air filtration. To avoid issues with the edge cleaning, Bissell 2254 also features dual edge cleaning brushes. Although the main cleaner head is well designed, it lacks LED headlights, which can be very useful when cleaning in low light conditions. To help with the cleaning of various surfaces, Bissell 2254 CleanView comes with several very important cleaning tools and attachments. Combination dusting brush/upholstery tool. This 2-in-1 cleaning tool is used for cleaning the dust and other similar dirt from elevated surfaces and for cleaning upholstery. Crevice tool is long and narrow cleaning tool, used for cleaning edges, corners, gaps and other hard to reach and clean areas. Since Bissell 2254 features dual edge bristles, crevice tool is rarely used for baseboard edge vacuuming, but nonetheless, there are many other surfaces that require such specialized cleaning tool. Pet Turbo Eraser tool features air turbine that powers small brush roll. Pet Turbo Eraser tool is excellent cleaning tool not only for vacuuming pet and human hair, but all other types of dirt from stairs, sofas, small carpets and similar. Note that this is not maintenance-free cleaning tool and the user must from time to time clean the tool from hair, lint and other dirt. Dirt bin features bottom empty system, allowing the user to detach the dirt bin from the unit and empty it directly into the trash can, quickly and easily, without making additional mess.